This will become a more familiar sight as Ireland prepares for more cases of COVID-19. Contact tracing and testing are seen as crucial to try and stop the spread of the virus.
Schools, colleges and childcare facilities will close from tomorrow. The measures were announced by the Taoiseach today to contain the spread of COVID-19. The Minister for Health has confirmed Ireland has moved to the next phase of the coronavirus. Mass gatherings of more than 100 people indoors and 500 outdoors should be cancelled. People have been urged to work remotely if possible and to limit social interactions.
Twice a day I sit in the fourth car from the front, where I have the perfect view of every house. I don't know when exactly. I suppose it started in February. And gradually, as the months went by, it got worse. People were coughing and it passed on. People got sick. I'm not the person I used to be. I think people can see it on my face. I lost everything. I lost my friends. I lost my school. I lost everything. All I want is to go back to the way we were. But that isn't going to happen anytime soon. They say it could go on for another 5 years. Is this the life I want to live? All I can do is hope. And wait, and hope that this will go away. But they say it's a yearly thing, and I don't think I want to live this life anymore. Sometimes I catch myself trying to remember the last time I had meaningful contact with another person. Now, I sit on that train, all by myself. The seats are practically empty. I hope that someday, people will look back at this time and never, ever think of it as a good time. Because we suffered. The country suffered. We lost everything. Ireland, as we knew it, was destroyed.